Hey, Michael Spaeth here to talk to you about the new model year 20.5 Factory Special Edition paint option. New Factory Special Edition custom paint options give our customers the opportunity to purchase a limited edition paint scheme with a real wow factor. Direct from the factory, eliminating the need to repaint any original components and sparing the consumers a little added expense. And of course, this paint meets Harley-Davidson standards for quality and durability. And will cost about the same as a standard two-tone paint option. The name? Eagle Eye, for obvious reasons. Featuring eagle graphics with spread wings that flow from the right side of the front fairing to the right side of the fuel tank. And the interesting thing about this is it's contrasted on the left side by just a simple bar and shield logo, as well as some Harley-Davidson graphics on the top of the saddlebags and matching saddlebag hinges. And this brilliant yellow fused color should be something you've noticed before. It was introduced as an option for the Livewire motorcycle with a denim finish. The difference here on this Road Glide Special is we've added a bit more sheen and applied a gloss finish to the yellow fused paint. So here it is, Eagle Eye. Limited to 900 units globally. We can't wait to see these things hit the streets.